Yeah, yeah, back, stack, racks, black, Mac, stay, strapped, ooh, big, racks, ooh, large, stacks, yeah, back, stack, racks, black, Mac.
This is the King Boy Trying. Today we out here, we about to go get some rolling shots. Yep. Also, let me show y'all something right here. Yeah, my brother got some new shoes on the truck. But we're gonna talk about that later on. We're gonna do a truck review video on that right there on his new setup. So that's all, y'all already know the great goes and all that. We're gonna do that later on. Also, this is another truck right here. One of the cleanest buy style, new buy style around. See, maroon, I like that, love that color, man. Y'all already know, 24x14. See, my boy G right here, see. We about to go do some rolling shots, see. Hope we can get him in a truck review video too, cause that mud clean. My homeboy, my cameraman, he ain't around at the moment right here. Hey, I'm a cameraman right there. Y'all already know the one and only Roger that.
What up with you?
Man, yeah, see. But yeah, we finna go ahead and do some rolling shots, so let's get to it. Boy, they clean right there.
That's the dumpster spring collection.
What up, man? Got that big cam in here, do you?
Yeah.
Man, yeah. Ain't you in the Supreme too?
Yeah.
I thought so. You going to meet later on today?
Oh.
Yeah, me too, man. We all in the Supreme too. We about to go shoot some rolling shots and stuff. Probably what we finna do, man.
About to go to a damn family meet for a few.
Yeah.
I wasn't doing that shit. I'd be going with y'all.
Heck yeah, that's all we've been doing. Yeah.
I ain't gonna leave it like that.
Yeah.
What's up, Shay? What up? How you doing? Yeah.
Yeah. I'm about to get you in a video, man. Do a truck review video one day. I'm gonna try to shoot one for them two today. And hey, might be able to get you today in the spring meetup.
About 2 weeks, I'm gonna be getting all the vent fixed up there.
Yeah.
Get all that shit fixed.
Yeah.
Repaint my front bumper.
Yeah.
My wife works Precision.
Yeah, but she do good, but they high, yeah. But they do good work though.
I got a guy on the side up there. He does some side work.
You ain't lying, 'cause I'm finna get mine redone too.
You need some work done. Come up here and holler at me sometime.
Yeah.
What's all the time? Just there to charge you.
Yeah.
At least get a quote from him. Just there to go charge you.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah.
Everybody rocking that jump, bro.
Wanna run them? I'll give you 2 car links. And the head.
What's stage cam got?
3, 6 speed.
Got a tow converter?
What?
Got a tow converter installed? Hey, take that challenge right there. Take that challenge. You might be able to take that challenge. Take that challenge. Take that challenge.
You talking about
Race it for my dig. Hey, take that challenge. You ain't got a torque for it. Hey, go ahead.
You take your lunch break.
Yeah, you get him.
I would, but my transmission not
0
like
to
Yeah.
60. You take your lunch break.
Oh yeah, all day.
But once you get to 3,000,
Yeah, it's
you better be.
Hey.
Yeah, you more than
He
this.
been start honking your ass, bro. Look, yesterday I punched it. I had
My
some
fault.
Mustang. I punched it. I looked down. I hit the 120.
Yeah.
Like
Heck
that.
yeah.
God damn, I got way out of it.
Heck
That
yeah.
range, from 0 to 60, they dead.
Yeah.
You got them.
I'm about to buy a stall, though. 2800 stall.
You can have shape. My truck used to be fast for 33 though.
I'm telling you.
That's why I like the 33. Shit, I'm getting 16.2 miles per gallon, too.
know it's 33. I thought it was 35. So you used to seeing 35. I swear I thought it was 35. It's 24 by 14 here.
$800. Dude didn't even have 1,000 miles on the tire.
Damn.
The same wheel on your truck too.
I couldn't turn it down. It's a fucking baby. I want them.
Heck yeah. They look good, dude.
Look, she come off with the wheels, come around when we got the wheels again.
Yeah.
Sound good.
Heck get it. I tell you what, Danger. You start 37s on that sucker. That's gonna be big. It's still taller than you. It's a 37 on Juice Truck. It's gonna be big as crap, man. Look at it. It's taller than mine.
Now look how big your truck is. I got
a lot of things.
It's like a top. Alright, man, yeah.
We're gonna do some videos of these things real quick.
Alright.
They ride, man.
You ain't lying.
I'm finna kill y'all. They finna make me carry my damn truck.
Hey.
Look at my championship ring, I feel Barbarian. Put on my championship ring, I feel like champion. Bring out my money machine, I don't feel like counting it. Bigger than a hashtag, more waves than a do-rag. Go yard on my back, my heart and turned black. I got J's at the door, it ain't gon' stop. Boom, boom, boom. Tryna drop my steeds, get your knock. Boom, boom, boom. Once upon a time, I hit the interstate in traffic. That's what my good karma had.
I can make a check in my sleep. I stay in my lane like a street. Only walk the range for a week. It's 20 bands for the seats. Commas come on all my receipts. I feel like a dog I can eat. I done took the doors off a Jeep. I don't play with my nose, but I'm geek. I know I want some.